let's add some white floral overlays. This really cute little princess in the bed in Photoshop. I'm going to be using the actions to apply. This is not the first tutorial. If you are unsure of how to use the actions or how to download and unzip your florals that you've downloaded from the LSP Actions website, you can watch tutorial number 1. This is just a demo, so let's dive in and apply some florals. First of all, let's have a look at a little boho look for this one. I'm going to add boho side brighter. To add some boho into the foreground, and let's add another one. Go for another boho side, a different one here. And these are definitely best blurred because even though they're coming in focus, you do want to blur areas, especially areas that look a little bit cut out or anything like that. And I just mean the bohos, not the main florals. The Pampas grasses are designed to be blurred with a little bit of blur painted off for absolute best results. And the reason I haven't blurred them completely in post is so you can paint some of the top off like this. You see that? So it just gives you that really realistic depth of field. So before and after, that's adding some Pampas grass, some bohos. Let's add something completely different. How about we add golden scene? I love the golden scenes. This is the golden scene wide. Just that's it. It's done. Just a click and it's done. The quickest thing ever. Let's go for something different. We could add some blossom toppers. Let's shrink this one down. Sorry, my brush is huge. Okay, there we go, that's better. So I'm adding this one in, and to match the scene I'm going to hit tone warmer. And just like that, and it just blends it with the scene much better. So we've added white blossoms. How about we go with white blossom topper 2? We've added number 1. This one is mostly blurred. So we're just going to shrink that down. Pretty. And warm it up, just like we did with the other one. And there we go. Now we could add something a little bit more in the foreground or the background by blurring it. So let's add some more blossoms and just blur them in, just to add some depth to our image. Add these in front, these side blossoms. Let's darken and warm them and add some blur paint. Oh, make sure you click on the layer before you add blur paint or any of the adjustments. And another one. How about we add another blossom side here. Add that blur in. Doesn't really matter what order you do it in. And make them warmer and a little bit darker. So pretty. So we can see there before and after adding the blossoms. After adding the golden scene. And after adding boho. You can even mix and match. So for example, this is golden scene and boho. And drag that underneath. So you can get some really beautiful results using these, and they're super quick to apply, really easy to apply. And any little tweaks, the actions, you can do it in a click, so you don't even have to kind of change the settings too much. Just click and go. So I hope you love these as much as I love them. I can't wait to see what you do with them. Please tag me in the LSP Actions group because I'd love to see. And you can catch all the video tutorials on the LSP Actions website. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.